Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Chameli Devi Institute of Pharmacy Indore. So today I am here with the important topic of pharmaceutics, that is prescription. So now first of all we will discuss about the introduction, including definition and importance of prescription. Next is parts of prescription, and the last one is modern method of prescription which is used nowadays. Now, what is prescription? So, prescription is an order written by a physician, dentist, or any other medical practitioner to the pharmacist to compound and dispense a specific medication for individual patient. So, prescription is a written order from a registered medical practitioner or other properly licensed person such as dentist, veterinarian, etc. to a pharmacist to compound and dispense a specific medication for the patient. Prescription is actually a direct link between physician, pharmacist and patient. Prescription is accompanied by direction for pharmacist and as well as direction for the patient. Direction for pharmacist in terms number of dosage form and type of dosage form pharmacist have to prepare, and direction for the patient regarding to administration of drug. So prescriptions are generally written in English language, but in some time some abbreviation of Latin words are used to save time of physician. So for this it become necessary for pharmacist to familiar with the Latin terms and abbreviation used by the physician. Now, parts of prescription. So prescription are generally written on typical format which are usually kept as writing pads. A typical prescription consists of following parts. First one is date, name, age, sex and address of patient, superscription, inscription, subscription, signature, renewal instructions, signature, address and registration number of prescriber. So there are various parts of prescription, and every part having their own importance in prescription. So first one is date. It helps a pharmacist to find out the date of prescribing and date of presentation for filling the prescription. Date helps the pharmacist in redispensing a medicine and to guide patient. The prescription of narcotic or habit forming drugs must bear the date so as to avoid the misuse of prescription. Date also helps to maintain the record and history of patient. Next part is about personal information of patient like name, age, sex and address of the patient. It helps to identify the prescription, especially in case of children. Age and sex of the patient helps the pharmacist to check the prescriber dose of medication. So name, age, sex and address of the patient must be written in prescription because it serves to identity to the prescription. In case if any of these information is missing in the prescription, the same may be included by the pharmacist after proper inquiry from the patient. Age and sex of the patient also used in dose calculation of drug. So next part is superscription. Superscription is represented by symbol of RX. RX is the abbreviation of Latin words recipe, meaning you take. In olden days, the symbol was considered from the sign of Jupiter, god of healing. The ancient started their prescription with an appeal to the gods for its success. The ancient symbol Rx, signifying the appeal, was established centuries ago and has been carried down to the present time. So, this symbol was employed by the ancient in requesting God for the quick recovery of patient. So next one and most important part of prescription, that is inscription. Inscription is a body of prescription containing the name and amount or strength of drug. So it contains the name and quantity of prescribed ingredient, and it also contains manner in which medicine should be taken. The name of ingredient are generally written in English language, but common abbreviation can be written in English and Latin language. So the pharmacist must be familiar with Latin terms. If any case the misinterpretation of abbreviation is occur, so it can lead to serious errors in prescription. The medicament may be prescribed as an official preparation, a proprietary product, or a non-proprietary product, that is generic product. So next one is subscription. Subscription, this part contains the prescriber's direction to the pharmacist. So it is the direction given by the doctor or physician to the pharmacist. It includes type of dosage form to be prepared and number of dose to be dispensed. So in this part, the doctor or physician gives direction to the pharmacist that which type of dosage form prepared, for example syrup, tablet, capsule, and how many number of doses to be prepared or dispensed to the patient. But these days the prescriber are omitting the specific instruction to the pharmacist because the majority of prescriptions are not compounded or dispensed. Okay, so next one is signatura. Signatura is consists of the direction to be given to the patient regarding administration of the drug. The instruction may include the quantity to be taken or amount to be used of drug, the frequency of doses form and the timing of administration or application, the route of administration, the special instructions such as dilution, direction of dose. It is usually written as SIG on the prescription. The instruction given in the prescription are required to be transferred to the label of the container in which the medicament is to be dispensed so that the patient can follow it. Okay, so seventh part is renewal instructions. The prescriber indicate on every prescription order whether it may be renewed, and if so, how many times. So it is very important, particularly in the prescription containing the narcotic and other habit forming drugs, to prevent it misuse. Okay, so next one is signature, address and registration number of prescriber. The prescription must bear the signature of prescriber along with its registration number and address. It is very important for narcotic and other habit forming drugs to prevent its misuse. So it's important in case prescription of schedule H and X drugs which can only prescribed by registered medical practitioner. So the prescription must bear the signature and the registration number of prescriber. So in this slide, here is a specimen example of a prescription that contain different parts of prescription. So first of all, the heading contain the name of hospital and address of hospital, contact number of hospital. And the body having the different parts of prescription that includes, so first part of prescription is date. The date is mentioned the left side of the prescription on writing pad. Date shows and help to find out the history of patient. Next part of prescription is about personal information of patient that includes name of patient, age of patient, sex of patient and address of patient. The third part of prescription is superscription, which is denoted by the symbol of RX, which means thou take or you take. So this is the symbol was employed by ancient in requesting God for the quick recovery or quick healing of the patient. Next part is inscription. So inscription contain the name and amount of ingredient of formulation which is prescribed by the doctor or physician. So in this formulation or in this example, there is a formula of mixture that contain light kaolin 12 ml, light magnesium carbonate 3 ml, sodium bicarbonate 3 gram and water up to 90 ml. As we discussed earlier slide, so inscription having three parts. First one is base and second one is adjuvants, third one is solvent. So here light magnesium carbonate, light kaolin and sodium bicarbonates are the base of mixture, peppermint water as a solvent, and that peppermint is used as flavoring agent. So it is all about the inscription. And next part is subscription. So subscription contain the direction to the pharmacist for preparing the prescription and dosage form, number of doses to be dispensed. So here is a direction which is written in Latin terms, fiat mistura. That means fiat means make, mistura means mixture. So pharmacists have to dispense a mixture formulation. The next part is signatura. So here short form of signatura is used, that is SIG. So signatura is a direction to the pharmacist regarding administration of dose, time of administration, direction regarding dose administration. So this direction is written in Latin language. Cochlear magnum, Turindae, post sevos, sumenda. So here the meaning of cochlear magnum is tablespoon, 1 tablespoon. Turindae, that means 3 times in a day. Post sevos, that means after the meal. Sumenda means to be taken. So English meaning of this whole Latin sentence is a tablespoon mixture to be taken 3 times in a day after meal. The next part is refill or renewal, that shows the patient revisit, and the last part of the prescription is name of prescriber, signature of prescriber, registration number of prescriber. Thank you.